In the vast and varied kingdom of plants, life unfolds at countless different speeds. Some plants are here for only a moment, a fleeting splash of color in the grand tapestry of nature. These are the annuals, plants that complete their entire life cycle, from a tiny seed to a mature, flowering adult, all within a single year. Their strategy is one of speed and efficiency. They must sprout, grow, reproduce, and then wither away before the seasons turn against them. It is a life lived in fast forward, a brilliant but brief performance on the world's stage. Consider the humble garden cress or the cheerful marigold. Their existence is a race against time. From the moment a seed germinates in the warm spring soil, the clock is ticking. They pour all their energy into producing leaves to capture sunlight, and then in a final glorious burst, they create flowers. These flowers are not just for show, they are vital for creating the next generation. Once their seeds are scattered, their purpose is fulfilled. Their stems will wilt, their leaves will fade, and they will return to the earth from which they came, their legacy entrusted to the tiny seeds left behind. This short-lived strategy is remarkably successful. It allows plants to thrive in environments where conditions are only favorable for a short period. Think of a desert after a rare rainfall. Suddenly, the barren landscape is carpeted with wildflowers. These plants must seize the opportunity, growing and setting seed before the moisture vanishes and the sun bakes the land once more. Their brief lives are a perfect adaptation to an unpredictable world. They do not invest in building thick, woody stems or deep roots for the long haul. Instead, they focus everything on the single, crucial task of reproduction. Why live so briefly? It is a question of energy and resources. For an annual plant, it is far more effective to invest everything into producing a huge number of seeds, rather than trying to survive a harsh winter or a long drought. By dying, they make way for their own offspring, ensuring the continuation of their species. Their individual lives may be short, but as a lineage, they are incredibly resilient. It is a cycle of life and death that repeats year after year, a quiet, persistent rhythm that underpins many of our planet's ecosystems. Moving beyond the world of annuals, we encounter plants that have mastered the art of endurance. These are the perennials, plants that live for more than 2 years. Unlike their short-lived cousins, perennials play a longer game. Their strategy is not one of a quick sprint, but of a steady, patient marathon. They invest their energy in building strong, resilient structures that will allow them to survive through multiple seasons, year after year. They build deep root systems to find water and nutrients, and many develop woody stems for support and protection. Many of the familiar plants in our gardens and meadows are perennials. Think of the lavender bush, which returns each summer with its fragrant purple spikes, or the sturdy rose bush that can produce beautiful blossoms for decades. These plants have a different approach to life. In their first year, they may not even flower at all, choosing instead to focus their resources on establishing a strong foundation. They are building for the future, preparing themselves for the challenges of droughts, frosts, and the passing of many seasons. Their patience is rewarded with a longer life and many opportunities to reproduce. The key to their longevity lies in their ability to go dormant. When conditions become harsh, such as during a cold winter, these plants do not simply give up and die. Instead, they enter a state of suspended animation. They may lose their leaves and appear lifeless above ground, but beneath the soil, their roots remain alive and well, storing energy for the spring to come. When warmth and light return, they reawaken, ready to grow and flourish once more. This remarkable ability to pause and restart their life cycle is what allows them to persist for so long. This perennial lifestyle allows plants to become established and dominant features of their environment. A large oak tree, for instance, is a perennial that has invested centuries in its growth. But even smaller perennials, like a clump of hostas in a shaded garden corner, demonstrate this same principle of persistence. They return each year, a little larger and a little stronger than the last. Their lives are a testament to the power of patience and adaptation, a slow and steady dance with the rhythms of the planet that can span decades, or even longer. As we venture deeper into the world of long-lived plants, we encounter the true giants of time, the trees. Some trees are not just perennials, they are ancient beings that can stand witness to centuries, even millennia, of history. They are the planet's silent chroniclers, their rings telling stories of wet years, dry years, fires, and frosts. Among the most venerable of these are the giant sequoias of California. These magnificent titans can tower over 300 feet high and live for more than 3,000 years. To stand in their presence is to feel a profound sense of awe and humility. These ancient trees have developed incredible strategies for survival. Their bark can be several feet thick, providing a near impenetrable shield against forest fires. Their sheer size allows them to outcompete other plants for sunlight and water, and their extensive root systems anchor them firmly in the earth. They grow slowly, patiently adding a new layer of wood each year. This slow, deliberate pace of life is a key to their longevity. They do not rush, they endure. A single sequoia may have been a young sapling when the Roman Empire was at its peak, and it could still be standing long into our future. Yet even the mighty sequoia is not the oldest single tree on Earth. That title belongs to a species known as the Great Basin bristlecone pine. High in the desolate, windswept White Mountains of California, these gnarled, twisted trees cling to life in one of the harshest environments imaginable. One individual, nicknamed Methuselah, is estimated to be over 4,800 years old. It was a mature tree when the Great Pyramids of Egypt were being built. It has survived ice ages, droughts, and storms that would have felled lesser beings. The secret to the bristlecone pine's incredible lifespan lies in its adaptation to adversity. It grows in dry, rocky, high-altitude soil where there is little competition. Its wood is incredibly dense and resinous, making it highly resistant to insects, fungi, and rot. The tree grows at an almost imperceptibly slow rate, conserving its energy with masterful efficiency. In this extreme environment, the bristlecone pine has turned hardship into an advantage, allowing it to achieve a lifespan that is almost beyond our comprehension. A true master of survival. Our journey to find the longest living organism on Earth takes us from the high mountains to an entirely different realm, the sunlit waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Here, carpeting the seabed in vast green meadows, we find a plant that has achieved a form of near immortality. It is a species of seagrass known as Posidonia oceanica, or Neptune grass. While an individual shoot of this grass may only live for a few years, the organism as a whole can persist for an astonishing length of time through a process of cloning. Neptune grass spreads by sending out underground stems called rhizomes. New shoots grow up from these rhizomes, while older parts of the plant die away. This creates a vast interconnected network that is genetically identical, a single massive clone. Scientists have found colonies of Neptune grass that are estimated to be over 100,000 years old. This single organism has been growing and spreading across the sea floor since our own species, Homo sapiens, was first venturing out of Africa. It is a staggering timescale that dwarfs even the most ancient trees. The stability of the marine environment is crucial to its incredible longevity. Protected beneath the waves, the Neptune grass is shielded from the fires, frosts, and dramatic temperature swings that challenge terrestrial plants. The sea provides a relatively consistent and supportive medium for its slow, clonal expansion. Over millennia, a single plant can spread to cover several miles of the ocean floor, creating a vital ecosystem that provides food and shelter for a vast array of marine life. It is the foundation of an entire underwater world. This remarkable plant forces us to reconsider our very definition of an individual and of life itself. Is this 100,000-year-old clone a single organism? In a genetic sense, it absolutely is. Its existence is a powerful reminder of the diverse and often surprising strategies that life has evolved to perpetuate itself. From the annual flower that lives for a few weeks to the clonal seagrass that has survived ice ages, the plant kingdom showcases a breathtaking spectrum of lifespans. Each one is a perfect adaptation to its own unique world, a testament to the enduring power of nature.